Sometimes I feel my question is irrelevant to other person, though it is definitely related to subject, and it's dragging time. So I hesitate and end up asking question to speaker personally. Is that right attitude? Just curious to know your thought on this, being speaker and also as an audience. Very good question. Let me answer two questions by answering this one question. Another question which I will answer by answering this question is, imagine you have given the presentation. How do you evaluate whether you have spoken well or not? How do you evaluate? So when I gave my TEDx talk, someone watching me disease, I remember this because I got this in this talk, I got the standing ovation in the middle of the talk. Someone watching me disease is nothing but many things in life we do not do because what people will say. We hesitate to do. For example, you are hesitating to say or asking question because what people will say, right? So what happened, ladies and gentlemen? Whenever I give speeches or presentation, I stop after the presentation and I see what people are coming to me or not. If people are not even coming to me, then I've spoken very bad because I've not even broken that barrier between audience and me. So I stop. I wait. If they're coming to me and they're saying, Praveen, your body language and vocal variety was so good. What kind of feedback? The way you were moving, your energy level, you this and that was so good. It means I've not done well. Not done well. Because I was not there to show my body language and vocal variety. If they are coming to me and they're saying, Praveen, you know what? When you were sharing that story, I remember that. And they start giving feedback to you, which is connected to your feedbacks. So when I started sharing that, when I decided to marry a Buddhist girl and my parents said, no, no, no. And I thought what people will say, what I did. Or when I decided to leave a very healthy job where I was earning more than 20 lakhs and what people will say, hey, are you crazy or what? So when I was sharing all this story, people started coming to me and say, Praveen, even I have stories. Then I said, no, I have not done well. Okay, I've done today. If people come and share these stories. But when people come to me and they say something like this, which happened that day in my someone watching me disease TEDx talk. Someone came to me and he said exactly what you said. Even you have hidden your name. You have not decided to show your name also. He said this, Praveen, you know what? I have attended many sessions like this, many talks like this. And after the talk, I used to see that people are going to speakers and they're talking to speakers and asking questions. And I used to feel that, hey, I should not go. I'm not confident. I'm not, why I should waste the time of that speaker. But first time, Praveen, I decided to go. First time he said, Praveen, I went to all the speakers. That is the content. When you say change life, not the life, at least for that moment, I could change him. That is called content. That is called, yes, you might have spoken well that day. That's the answer to these two questions, ladies and gentlemen.